Hello, boys and girls, ready for another story? Today we'll be reading Henry Sneeze. As you can see, I don't think Henry's very happy. Looks like his windows are broken. How would they be broken? One lovely Saturday morning, Henry was puffing along. The sun shone, the fields were green, the birds sang. Henry had plenty of steam in his boiler, and he was feeling happy. I feel so well, he sang. Trickety truck, hummed his coaches. Henry saw some boys on a bridge. Beep, beep. Hello, he whistled cheerfully. Beep, beep. He called the next moment. Oh. For the boys didn't wave and take his number. They dropped stones on him instead. As you can see, the boys are ready. You see they're in position. They're like, oh, there's a train. Let's throw rocks at it. They were silly, stupid boys who thought it would be fun to drop stones down his funnel. Some of the stones hit Henry's boiler and spoiled his paint. One hit the fireman on the head as he was shoveling coal, and others broke the carriage windows. It's a shame, hissed Henry. They've broken our glass, sobbed the coaches. The driver opened the first aid box, bandaged the fireman's head, and planned what he was gonna do. As you can see, they're throwing rocks at this guy. His head. You see the dog. They have a dog. I don't think the dog's very happy about this. He doesn't look very happy about that. They stopped up the train, and the guard asked if any passengers were hurt. No one was hurt, but everyone was cross. They saw all the firemen's bumped head and told them what to do. Ooh for it. And they looked at Henry's paint. Call the police, they shouted angrily. No, said the driver. Leave it to Henry and me. We'll teach those lads a lesson. What will you do? They asked. Can you keep it a secret? Yes, they all said. Well then, said the driver, Henry's gonna sneeze at them. As you can see, they're like, hey, what happened? Oh my gosh. And he's like, hey, pay him back. What? Cried all the passengers. The driver laughed. Henry, he draws air in through his fire and puffs it out with smoke and steam. When he puffs hard, the air blows ashes from his fire into his smoke box, and these ashes sometimes prevent him from puffing properly. When your nose is blocked, sometimes you sneeze. If Henry's smoke box is blocked, you can just make air and steam blow the ashes through his funnel. We'll do it at the bridge. Startle those boys. As you can see, he's like, hey, we're gonna do this thing, and they're like, what? How does that make sense? We can see Henry's number 3. Look, I have my Henry here. Alright, go back right there. Sit back. Henry puffed onto the terminus where he had a rest. Then he took the train back. Lots of people were waiting at the station just before the bridge. They wanted to see what would happen. Henry has plenty of ashes, said the driver. Please keep all windows shut until we have passed the bridge. Henry is as excited as we are. Aren't you, old fellow? He patted Henry's boiler. Henry didn't answer. He was feeling stuffed up, but he winked at his driver like this. As you can see, Henry's like, we're gonna do this. And they're like, yeah, let's go. And all these people are getting in the train. The guard's flag waved. His whistle blew, and they were off. Soon in the distance, they saw the bridge. There were the boys, and they all had stones. Are you ready, Henry? Said his driver. Sneeze hard when I tell you. No! He said, and turned the handle. Ashoo! Ooh, smoke and steam and ashes sprouted from his funnel. They went all over the bridge and all over the boys who ran away as black as soot. As you can see, Henry has all this stuff coming out of his funnel, and they're like, get away, yeah! Okay, we're on the last page here. Well done, Henry, laughed his driver. They won't drop stones on your engines again. Your coat is all black, but we'll rub you down and paint your scratches. You'll be as good as new tomorrow. Henry never again sneezed under a bridge. Sir Topham Hatt doesn't like it. Smokebox is always cleaned in the yard while he's resting. Henry has now gone under more bridges than he can count. But from that day there have been no more boys with stones. The end. As you can see, he's like, hey, you've done a good job of Henry. And he's like, yay! And they're all like cleaning him off and doing all this stuff. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you would like to support this channel, remember, I don't drink coffee, but you can buy me a pizza. See the link in the description below. Thank you.